Expanding to Amazon Poland is easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you some countries that I believe you should expand to first. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So you're going to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. You're simply going to go to inventory and then sell globally. If you don't see this, make sure you're a professional seller. Once you're here, you're going to see the button for Europe, and you can create a European selling account right here. Click register, and not only will you gain access to Poland, but you're going to gain access to other countries like France, UK, Italy, and much, much more. Once you click register now, pretty much you're just going to need the regular information. Your name, your bank account needs to be ready, your credit card statement, maybe utility bill, bank account statement bill, and also a passport. Just have those documents ready. Make sure the name on your passport matches the name on your bank account statement and so on. Just make sure everything matches and you'll get approved in no time. Once you're approved, you're gonna get this little green check, and you can see that now you can sell in UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Belgium, Sweden, and Poland. So you're gonna get access to all of these countries. And then Amazon's gonna give you some next recommended tips, which is going to be adding your products, applying for your VAT, and then reviewing Brexit. So Brexit's mainly for the UK, but anyway, we're gonna go and you're gonna do the drop down and you're going to click Poland. Once you click Poland, you're gonna make sure everything looks good. Your bank account's there, your credit card statement's there. If you already have Amazon listings showing in Poland for some reason, I recommend you delete them and start them from scratch. Once you start them from scratch, what you're going to want to do is get the ASINs from all of your items in Amazon USA, and you're going to recreate them for Amazon Poland. Just like I'm doing it right now, I'm in Poland and we're just putting in our ASIN, and our ASIN should show up, and then we can click and then sell this product now. Now, if your ASIN doesn't show up, you can just copy the UPC code, create a new listing from scratch, make sure you use the same UPC code that you use in the US, recreate the listing, and then all of the reviews from your US listing are going to also be transferred to Poland. So that way you can have the same ranking, you're gonna have a lot of reviews. It's gonna be much, much easier to generate sales instead of creating a brand new listing from scratch. Once you're done that, you're going to go back to your inventory, and then you're gonna convert your items to filled by Amazon. So make sure you change to filled by Amazon, and now you're going to send or replenish inventory, and you're going to send your inventory to Amazon Poland. Now, when you do this and you fill out all the information, Amazon is going to give you an Amazon label, but they are not going to give you a shipping label. So to get your shipping label, you need to go to a website like ups.com, which is one of the best, and you're going to put in that address that Amazon gives you on where it's supposed to go, which is going to be a fulfillment center in Poland. Put that information in, and then you're going to print that label. Once you get that label, then you're going to have on your box you're shipping into Amazon, your Amazon label, and your UPS shipping label. You're going to also input that tracking number into Amazon so Amazon can track it. So you just go to manage FBA shipments. It's going to say missing tracking number, put your tracking number in. So that way Amazon can review it as well, and it's going to be checked in much faster. UPS is going to be asking for two things. They're going to be asking for your VAT number and your EORI number. To get your EORI number, you're just going to type in how to get your EORI, and then you can apply for it online. The EORI number is pretty much a number for customs, so customs knows what your business is and they can help track you in. Your VAT number, that you may need that as well, that's going to be for taxes. So you're going to need your VAT number and your EORI number. Now you know how to get your EORI. Now to get your VAT. To get your VAT on Amazon, you can just simply go to the search box, type in VAT, and then you should see the tab that says manage your VAT or file your VAT. So Amazon does help you with this, and they do have sponsored services that will help you with this. And pretty much once you get your VAT, then you're good to go to ship it in, and it's a lot easier to get your EORI number as well. So get your VAT, get your EORI, then ship it into Amazon. Once you're done with that, then you're going to simply ship your items into FBA, and you're going to see it's going to say inbound. Once it's fully checked into Amazon, it's going to be available, and you can start selling your items right away. So for staying towards the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you my recommendation to focus on the English-speaking countries first. So it's USA, UK, Canada, Australia, then Singapore, because it's much easier when you already understand the English language to expand to the English countries first, understand their policies, and then you can focus on expanding to Poland, Spain, France, Italy, and all those other countries. That's just my recommendation. It's completely up to you. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. And of course, if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help expanding internationally or anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. This is what we specialize in, especially our #1 service, where we're going to look at all of your listings, help you expand internationally, even off of Amazon, and most importantly, we're going to maintain your account and increase sales in the marketplace that you're already selling in. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.